Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam.
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Bhagavad Gita Introduction, Episode 16. What is the difference between matter and living entities? Can anyone say? That is free will. Table has no free will, but living entities have free will. Free will. They can sit, they can walk, they can eat, they can talk, etc. That makes us superior. Matter can manipulated by spirit. Spirit can utilize the matter in the way we like. Now, one more important factor is there. We are superior to matter. We are superior to Krishna. That is to be recognized. When we forget that we are independent master, then we become materialistic person. I am here. What are the resources to exploit is the best for my sense gratification. I am here, I have water, I am youth body, so many exploit them. Advancement means effective exploitation of the resources. The whole modern science is based on this. I am superior to this matter. How to manipulate the matter for maximum utilization? Forgetting the supreme controller. He is also controlled by the Lord. His idea is like that. Not only that, we are not actual controllers of the matter. Though we have opportunity to control the matter, Krishna is the supreme controller of both the energies. Mayadhyakshana prakriti suyite sa characharam etunanena kaunteya jagadvi parivartate. When we forget Krishna, we try to independently control the matter. When we recognize Krishna's controllership, when we act into Him, He gives the ability to place this matter in His service. The difference is when we understand Krishna's superior nature, supreme controllership, who is the matter in His service. This is all due to not recognizing Krishna's controllership. By not recognizing Krishna's position is causing so much misery to us. Cause our suffering is forgetting Krishna's controllership. Krishna is my master. I am his servant. Scientists never be able to come to this conclusion by emphasizing method of approaching who is the cause. They never will be able to go to the ultimate cause. In the 7th chapter, Krishna says, Bhumirapo anlo vayu kammano buddhirevacha ahankaram itiyemme binna prakriti rashtada. My separated material energies, body to grow, spirit is required. If body to grow, spirit is required. Without spirit, there is no growth of body. Growth in the body is caused by spirit only. Similarly, Krishna in the form of super soul, He is there in the atom in this universe. In the 7th chapter, 4 and 5 verses, Bhumirapo anlo vayu kammano buddhirevacha ahankaram itiyemme binna prakriti ashtada. The material nature has been created by the earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, intelligence and false ego. अपरेयम इतस्वन्यां प्रकृति विद्यमे परां जीवभूतं महाबाहो एदम धार्यते जगत. The living entity is superior to this material world. So we have to first understand Krishna's plan. Understanding the plan of Krishna or the position of Krishna, which is the ununderstandable task, means we mean to understand, we can't understand it. That is the understanding. First understanding is I can't understand. Then we begin to understand what does it mean. Why can't we understand Krishna? Anyone? First, we can't know the heart of Krishna. Second, the right answer is it does not reveal. Unless Krishna reveals, no one can understand. It is not from our side. It is from his side. Krishna consciousness. Any activity is right. If the consciousness is right, we might have heard many stories of Krishna from childhood, like Mahabharata, but we could not understand Krishna. Understanding Krishna means we will be able to see how Krishna's pastimes are taking place in our life. Those who understand Krishna, they regularly see Krishna's pastimes, how to distinguish. I thought Krishna is in my dream. How can we say? Have you seen Krishna at least in the dream? No. So Krishna can be understood when we understand Krishna's pastimes through his representative spiritual master. When we appreciate a devotee, being such a dear of Lord, then we can understand the Lord. Krishna does pastimes always. Right now Krishna is not there. That much you know. But Krishna does his pastimes through his devotee because they become instruments in his hand, carry out Krishna's mission. Krishna mission is also one of the pastime. Krishna delivering the conditioned soul is also one of the pastimes of Krishna. Soul, I am coming in more practical term. Krishna regularly does the pastimes in delivering the conditioned soul. Pure devotee is the instrument in delivering conditioned soul. So such deliverance of conditioned soul by a pure devotee is also pastime. When we are able to see in our life how we are getting delivered by a pure devotee, we are seeing Krishna's pastimes. That is how we relate Krishna. We understand Krishna. Is it clear now? Unless we see that pastimes, we cannot conviction. We cannot come to conviction. Oh, Krishna lifted Govardhana hill, but our mountain of pride lifted. This is the pastime. Mountain of pride is there in our heart. Krishna lifted our pride. So we are also participating in this pastime. Not only Indra, we also participated in the pastimes. I am telling something profound in simple manner. Unless we see how we are getting delivered, it is all pastimes. Unless Krishna's mercy, we cannot become Krishna consciousness, or we cannot realize Krishna. Krishna comes into our life. Krishna reveals himself to his pure devotee. It is another way. Krishna reveals himself to his pure devotee. Unless Krishna is showing mercy, one's heart cannot change. Krishna Shakti Vina Nahi Pravartana. Unless Krishna or his pure devotee's mercy, one cannot become a Krishna conscious devotee. I am making very practical. What is Krishna's pastimes? For us, we cannot understand this pastime. We cannot understand any pastime of Krishna. You may recite nicely Ramayana, Mahabharata. Unless we see how our life is getting transformed by the mercy that is coming from Krishna through his representative, we will not be able to understand other pastimes of Krishna. It's only waste of time. You may study Bhagavad Gita, Mahabharata, you may study this one and that one. It will not touch the heart. It may be nice story. Our life goes as it is. I stop here. I will continue in next episode. श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंद हरे हरे बोल, हरे कृष्ण कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे।